Well, here we are with Mika's puppies, and it's been a couple weeks since I was on vacation. And so now they are 6 weeks old. And look how much they've grown. So cute. And so let's start with Martin, who has the dark blue collar.
Martin. Oh, here. The black one?
No, dark blue.
Oh, dark blue.
Okay,
we had our visit to the vet, so everybody's okay.
All right. All right, and then the next one is Maxwell with the green collar. See, they've almost got all their pigment, huh? And then Merlin, purple. Alright, and Milton, brown.
Of course. The smallest in the little.
He's cute.
So beautiful.
And Mocha, pink.
Pink, 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 pink.
She's pretty. And then Maxine, red.
She's pretty too. She's like good.
You got good pigment. Mila, orange.
Hello.
Hello, Mila. And then Mo, black.
Okay. I've seen you a few seconds ago. Okay, you are here.
There you are. Yes, Mo. Look at his little paws up. All right, so now let's go to the whole group and let them play a little bit.
Okay, just a sec. Somebody hide it. Hide here. Okay, you don't hide. Okay, what do you have here? Here. Okay. Oh, you went back? But we didn't talk for that. Okay. 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 Everybody's loving. The boys, all the boys, they are calmer. They are playful. They are not timid, but calmer, you know. And the girls are more daring.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
They're the more adventurous ones,
Yeah.
huh? Okay.
Hello. Hello, my dear. Hello. 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 No, I'm not gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. So everybody's playing nice, beautiful. They eat good. You can see. Take this from here. Let's see what I have here. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. Come play. Like what? Look at Cathy. And what you don't see. Can you see the colors of the collars?
Uh-huh.
Because in my video I don't think
Most of them.
see it very well. So the pink, the red.
There's orange in front of you.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
the purple. And Milton is here for him. Yes, you cannot go over there. No, you couldn't pass over. Yes, yes, yes. Here I am. Here I am. Yes, here I am.
Oh,
And here you are.
you give sweet kisses.
Yeah. And what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who's hiding? You don't supposed to hide. You don't supposed to hide. You don't supposed to hide. You don't supposed to have. You have your toys. Let me put. Somebody has to make noise. Yes.
Mutt bar, that's cute.
What are you doing there? You just
Gonna sit on top.
yeah. It's good. It's good.
Look at the one on its back, under the pile. I see little legs sticking out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one is Mo.
Yeah.
The
Black.
he seems big, but he's not big. The dark blue,
Blue collar.
blue color
Martin.
Martin. I think it's the way how the coat stays
Yeah.
really fluffy. Okay,
Yeah, they're a
This is not
fluffy
food.
bunch, that's for sure.
now this is not food. This is not food. Yes, this is not food. This is not food also. Okay, right now they're playing with me.
Yeah. And
So-
each other, I'm sure.
Yeah, of course. Whoa. These are the. These are my items.
Yeah, look at this one going after him.
Don't bite him, no. No, don't bite him. Milton, why do you bite him? Huh?
I'm just playing.
Yeah, he does play. He's so good. After I feed them, everybody's licking him, you know, his mouth, like he's the spoiled one from the whole litter. Like they take care of him. He's the smallest.
Well, they love you, that's for sure.
Well, they see me most of the time. Okay. Okay. You're not in the mood to play today? Where do you want to run?
Oh, they're talking to you. Like,
Yes.
bring him here. We'll teach him how to play.
Yes.
Look at that. That's one of the girls, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, that's Maxine. They're talking to you. All right, so there you have Mika's puppies, 6 weeks old. It's time to choose. I'll be making phone calls.